Good morning. I'm Rana El Chemaitelly, the founder and CEO of The Little Engineer. We are today here at the EdEx show in Dubai. It's really a nice exhibition because we had the chance to meet with the specific audience that might be interested in our services. We are a B2B STEM solution provider. We deliver content to be integrated in the curriculum. We have solutions from KGs to grade 12. And with the package we deliver, the instructor books, the teacher's manual, the student's manual, the kids by themselves, and the training and digital resources for training to make our solution sustainable in school, just in case one of the teachers is leaving, so we can keep on doing whatever we are doing, and we secure quality of education by documenting all our training over digital resources. Next week will be at JES, so you can join us if you want to learn more about our content, how we are doing it in schools. And we are expanding in the MENA region, not only in UAE. We are based in UAE, but we are expanding in Oman, and Saudi Arabia, and Qatar, and Kuwait. So hope to see you soon.